Deja and her puppies are 2 days old. This is Capone, little man. Maxine, Princess. This one is Debo. Yeah, that's a boy, yeah. Debo. And this one doesn't have a name yet, but she's cute. This is Lola. Little Lola. And this is the runt, the little peanut. And this is Juicy. Looks like the dog from Little Rascals. Deja, don't worry, I'm not hurting your babies. Here's Mini Deja. Just like her mommy. And nope, you already seen him. And that fat boy right here is Bruto. Alright, here we go. Say bye. Oh yeah, there's one more that I didn't show you. The fat girl. This is the one I'm keeping. Her name is Nina. Nina. She's a cow. Yeah, she has a pink and black speckled nose. She's so cute. Okay, Deja. Say bye. Say bye.